In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Wise. We'll walk through the process step by step, so whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. First, you'll want to open the Wise app on your device. Once you've logged in, you'll see your accounts listed on the dashboard. From here, choose the account that holds the balance you'd like to send. This is an important step as selecting the wrong account could lead to unnecessary delays or complications. After selecting the right account, you'll click on the Send button. This action will take you to a new page where you can add your recipient. Here, you'll find an option titled Add Recipient. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to fill in some necessary details about the person or organization you're sending money to. Next, you'll need to select the currency of your transaction. For this demonstration, we'll be choosing Philippine pesos, abbreviated as PHP. Selecting the correct currency is essential because it determines the amount your recipient will receive and the conversion rate applied. Now, you have a couple of choices for finding your recipient. You can find them on Wise by searching their email, which is handy if they're already a Wise user. Alternatively, you can choose between e-wallet or bank details. In this instance, we'll initially attempt to select bank details. However, there's a small hitch on my end. Bank details isn't clickable. If you experience the same issue, don't worry. You can still proceed with the transaction through e-wallet or by typing their email address directly into the Find on Wise search bar. For this example, we'll go ahead and choose e-wallet. Once you've clicked on e-wallet, choose the option for someone else. At this point, you'll need to enter the account details for your recipient. Double-check these details to ensure they're accurate. This helps avoid any mishaps further down the line. After verifying the account details, click on Continue. You will then be asked to enter the amount you wish to send. Make sure you confirm this correctly to prevent any transactional errors. Before finalizing the transaction, take a moment to review all of the entered information one last time. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm and Send. The final step involves entering your password to authorize the transaction. This step serves as a security measure, ensuring that only you can complete the transaction. And there you have it. You've just sent money using Wise. This process is designed to be straightforward, but always ensure you're vigilant in reviewing details for each transaction. Thanks for following along, and happy transferring.